I want to start by giving you a tour of the resources available in this course, and also just talk about how the course is structured in general. A version of the app is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. You might notice some slight differences in the production version, but 99% of the code is exactly the same. Install the app and mess around with it just so you get an idea of what we're actually building. The source code for the app is available on GitHub, so you'll want to clone that repo down to your local system. You can use that as a reference, and you can even run it in Flutter locally, and it will use my demo project to display the actual data in the app. However, I recommend creating a brand new Flutter project and following along with this course from scratch. The first few videos will cover how to get Flutter and Firebase installed and show you some pro tips for working with VS Code. And then we'll look at a whole bunch of examples of working with widgets in Flutter, in addition to fundamental concepts like navigation, platform checking, themes, etc. We'll cover these building blocks one by one so you know how they work in isolation, because Flutter provides a lot of low-level building blocks, and a big part of the framework is just understanding how to put these pieces together effectively. The second half of the course is all about building the actual quiz app by putting these pieces together. The repo is broken into 4 branches. In the first branch, we'll set up user authentication. The second branch is focused on Firestore and state management, and the third and fourth branches are primarily focused on building out the UI elements that make up the app. This course is designed to be followed in a linear format, so I recommend that you go from video to video. All the widgets that we talk about in the first half of the course will be used in the quiz app in the second half of the course. If you get stuck or have any questions, make sure to reach out on the Slack channel. I really want your feedback, and I also want to improve the course if you think anything's missing. In the next video, we'll start by getting Flutter installed on your system.